Hello YouTube. I recently got this beauty in the mail. The keyboard's pretty good, but the case is a little white. Haven't turned it on yet. It's an SE, like one of the originals from 1987. So it's 30th birthday this year. It's the double disc 800K, so it shouldn't have any hard drive. But I've heard people do add hard drives in later, so we'll find out. Let's turn on the power. Switch. That's a good sign. Sorry about the refresh rate on the monitor. No mouse yet, but I think it's checking the RAM or ROM, I'm not sure. Oh, there's a mouse with a disc. Okay, it might have a hard drive, but it shouldn't, because floppy goes in there, and then the floppy goes in there. So someone's modded this, haven't they? Oh well, it looks pretty good. Probably the first time it's booted in like 20 years or so. Got a time of some sort. Extension cannot load because it doesn't. I don't have one of them currently. Okay, what system is it running? 7, and it's already got 4 megs of RAM, so someone's already upgraded this all the way. Nice. Well, this is a quick look at my Mac SE first turn on, and it appears to be working completely fine. Thanks for watching.